Okay, so I'm assuming you clicked on this video because you want a free photo editor. You're probably thinking it's clickbait. No, it's not. It's a real photo editor. It's really free to use online, and it actually will export files in multiple formats, just like Photoshop. Will allow you to work on a project, save the project. It's a multi-layer photo editor. I'm going to show you that right now. The link to this photo editor is in the description below. So, as you can see, the layout is a lot like Photoshop. You know, all these tools over here, selection tools, object selection. There you go, cropping tools. All your all the tools you would find in Photoshop, as a matter of fact. And I've actually used this photo editor to do a few designs, uh, and it works very well. And like I said, it exports files. Let's just do a Facebook page cover here just to show you how this thing works. We'll just use a template. It's got lots of templates, or you could just start a project, a blank project, and do your own thing. So I'm going to say, let's see, let's just take this and say export as. So let's say I just wanted to use this as my Facebook photo, and let's see, export as JPEG. Okay, then it'll ask me. I always have to move this little slide bar up because it always wants to export it as 70% quality. It will allow you to save it as 100%, but you just have to move the slide bar up. But you can get an account. You don't have to use the photo editor, but you can get an account and it will save all your personal settings as you continue working on your projects and doing new projects in the future. And then we click on save, and there it says download manager, download complete. Free photo editor. I'm telling you, folks, easy to use, and it's all online, so I don't have to take up a ton of processing and storage space on my computer, and I don't have to pay Adobe a ton of money for Photoshop.